Hi, I am RVR. Today we are going to learn present perfect tense. This is also called indefinite past tense. Why we call it? How to construct present perfect tense? How to change statement to negative SN question and WH questions? And how we could use it in English language. Such things we are going to learn in this video lesson. Let's go and learn. Welcome back to RVR English YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn present perfect tense. It is also called indefinite past. So let's learn what is present perfect tense, how we could use it in English language, and what are the rules of present perfect tense. In this video lesson, let's go and learn. Firstly, let's learn present perfect tense or indefinite past tense. Present perfect tense structure. I have written a letter. I is a subject. Have or has helping verbs. Written past participle or V3 plus a letter is an object. Whenever you want to write or speak English correctly, you should follow this structure. Then you sound better. And I want to explain you why we call it present perfect. How is it present perfect? How is telling the sentence is present. Written is telling this is perfect. Perfect is nothing but past. Here written is a past participle, means part of the past tense. So this sentence or this tense is telling the sentence has past and present connection. Action complete in the past, but result or its actions effects are in present. Therefore I have written a letter means Ninoka Uttaranni vrasi untini. That means you could see the letter. You could see the letter because the writing completed. So some more examples for you. I have drawn a picture. He has sung a song. They have made a mistake. Like this, you can use any subject, any verb, any object. But here what you have to understand, you should follow the structure. Subject, have or has, plus V3, plus object. Now let's learn how to construct statement, how to change statement into yes or no question, negative sentence and WH questions. We have already learned how to construct sentences. I have read a book. నేను ఒక పుస్తకాన్ని చదివి ఉంటిని. That means the person who read that book can tell or show the book. Therefore, action completed, the result is in present. What is the result? You could see the read book, or you could understand by observing the person's words. So I have not read a book. నేను చదవలేదు. We have played cricket. We have not played cricket. Same Telugu meaning apply to understand all these English sentences. Think in English, understand it in Telugu. You have eaten my mango. You have not eaten my mango. He has drunk milk. He has not drunk milk. She has done him. She has not done him. It has run fast. It has not run fast. They have made a mistake. They have not made a mistake. Got it? So like this you could first learn how to construct a present perfect sentence, then change into negative. Let's learn now how to change a statement into yes or no question and WH word questions. Now let's learn yes or no questions and WH word questions. Have I read a book? నేను ఒక పుస్తకం చదివి ఉంటినా? What have I read? నేనేం చదివాను? Have we played cricket? Where have we played cricket? Have you eaten my mango? Why have you eaten my mango? Think in English. Understand it in Telugu. Has he drunk milk? How has he drunk milk? Has she done him? Why has she done him? Has it run fast? How has it run fast? Have they made a mistake? Why have they made a mistake? See, observe carefully. A certain question, WH word questions. Just we are putting helping verbs before subject and adding WH words before helping verbs. Then it become WH word question. Now let's learn the rules of present perfect tense. We use this tense to talk about a past action with the result in the present. I have polished my shoes. How do you know? How could you know that? You could see the polished shoes shining. So you could understand the action completed but result is shown in shoes with a shining. Mary has not eaten bread. How do you know that? She was given bread but did not eat. How do you know that? The bread is on the table. So action completed but the result is apparent on the table. She has gone to school. How do you know that? What is the result of this past action? The result is she's not at home. To describe an action that is being repeated between the past and present. We have been to Agra many times. They're going and coming to Agra. In between the past and present, the action is taking place. To describe an action that started in the past and is still continuing in the future. She has lived in the UK since 2000. She started living in UK since 2000, but still she is there. In future she may be there. In such cases we use present perfect tense. Let's learn more rules about this present perfect tense usage. To describe an action that has not yet been finished. It has snowed a lot this month means it's snowing still now. To describe an action that was completed in the recent past. He has taken an exam waiting for a result. To describe an action when time was not an important aspect. He has made a mistake in the classroom. We could not tell perfectly or definitely when it happened. To speak unspecified time expression. I have found this book where, when, no particular things. You have already paid the amount. When? We don't know. He has become a fool. When? We don't know. There has been an accident. When it happened? No particular time. She has lost her pet dog. When? No definite time. Therefore, it is called indefinite past. We speak indefinite timings in present perfect tense. Okay, dear ones, I would love to give you some tips to understand present perfect tense. You could identify the present perfect tense with the following words. Already, ever, yet, recently, just now, today, since. Most of the times we use these words in present perfect tense. Already, I have already finished my project. Work. Ever. Have you ever seen the Taj Mahal? Yet. He has not come yet. Recently, she has started doing her homework. Just now. They have returned just now. Today. Today he has drawn a picture. Since he has lived in India since 2015. All these expressions will help you to understand, to identify in your textbook and examinations. Good luck. Okay, we have learned what present perfect is and how to construct a present perfect sentence in English language and how to identify it in English language. Now let's test ourselves how much we have learned present perfect tense in this video lesson. Dear students, copy down these sentences into your notebook and fill in the blanks with the suitable present perfect tense verb forms. You can do that easily because I have given some clues and some sentences don't have any definite time expressions. Therefore, you could use it happily. You could write present perfect tense forms in blanks.
Okay, students and friends, I think you understood it well. It's the most useful tense in English grammar. If you don't understand, replay, watch it again until you understand. Let's meet in another video lesson. Until bye bye.